In this video, I'm going to show you how to view hidden photos on your Instagram profile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram and head over to your profile. Now, once you are on your profile, you can hide any post if you want to not allow other users to see that post. You can delete it and also you can hide it. To hide the post, all you have to do is hit a three dots icon and there hit at archive. Now that post has been hidden from your profile, and let me show you how you can simplify all the hidden posts. To be able to do that, just hit there at menu icon and here select archive. There you can find all your archived posts and stories. As you can see, the last archived post is right there at the first position. Also, you can hit there where it says post archive, and here you can go to stories archive, and also there you can go to live archive. If you want to show up this post again, so actually unarchive that post, all you have to do is just open up that post, hit a three dots icon and here select show on profile. This removes posts from your archive and shares the post back to your profile. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.